Kymco manufacturer introduces the middle-class automatic adventure scooter, namely the Kymco DTX CT. This motorbike has specifications that are not inferior to Honda and Yamaha factory motorbikes. This Maxi scooter comes with a Maxi motorbike style design with a fairly large body. In terms of design, features, and also the engine capacity used, this Kymco Maxi scooter segment is indeed targeting the European market. The name Kymco itself is well known as a manufacturer of sophisticated, comfortable and stubborn scooters for the European region. Technologically, Kymco is known as a pioneer in the world of automatic motorbikes, always presenting new breakthroughs in the development of scooters in the world. As for features, Kymco DTX CT comes with quite modern technology. The first is the full LED light, then the use of a full digital dashboard speedometer with very large dimensions. The speedometer can also be connected to a smartphone via a Bluetooth network. There is a lot of information ranging from a tachometer, digital clock, trip meter, and lots of other information including traction control system indicators, apps, and much more. Talking about specifications, this Kymco DTX CT Maxi scooter is equipped with an engine capacity of 276 cc and 320.6 cc. The engine has a single-cylinder, OHC, 4-stroke, 4-valve, liquid-cooled configuration.